As patients grow older, their eyes and eye needs change. Presbyopia is a condition that often requires complex vision correction and precision. As eyes age, pupils become smaller, the crystalline lens stiffens, and tear volume decreases. Most multifocal contact lenses aren't designed with all of these physiological changes in mind. Presbyopia requires an innovative approach in multifocal contact lenses, one that addresses the needs of the presbyopic eye. AcuView has developed new ways to innovate with a dedicated team of eye care professionals and optical design engineers to improve our products and better meet patient needs. The latest innovation from the AcuView brand advances the technology of multifocal lenses. One-Day AcuView Moist brand multifocal contact lenses. The design of this lens is based on several aspects of the human eye and visual system that affect vision. The lens was developed through the use of a model that integrates multiple components of the visual system, including the ocular tear film, the anatomy of the eye, most importantly the pupil size, and the visual pathway of the nervous system, as well as how contact lenses interact with these elements. The data used as the basis for these models came from measurements of several thousand individual eyes, making it a very robust model. A complex computer algorithm was used to run simulations of the behavior of the visual system under different settings. This model was then used to optimize the design of a contact lens for fit and vision, resulting in the eye-inspired design of One-Day AcuView Moist Multifocal. This lens has an aspheric center-near design with 3 add powers, low, mid and high. The advanced design delivers a better visual experience across the refractive range. Pupil size naturally varies across the refractive range and decreases with presbyopia. IntuiSight technology was developed to accommodate these variations in pupil size to offer a superior vision experience. One-Day AcuView Moist Multifocal has uniquely optimized optical designs, which are individually engineered according to age and refractive error range from +6 to -9 in 0.25 diopter steps. Each of these 183 parameters have been optimized for built-in precision, resulting in a 94% fitting success rate with 2 pairs or less with myopes and hyperopes. To address the needs of presbyopia, these contact lenses use a unique back surface to ensure centration of the contact lens. The aspheric center matches the natural corneal shape of the eye, maintaining the shape of the complex front surface optics, while the spherical periphery keeps the lens in place. The unique shape of this lens ensures that it stays in place while properly aligning the optics over the pupil, delivering high-fitting success across all add powers. To help combat the contact lens-related dryness and decreased tear production that come with presbyopia, this lens was built on the One-Day AcuView Moist technology to provide long-lasting comfort. Dual-action technology helps reduce lens dryness by keeping moisture in and helps support the ability to keep irritation out. From the AcuView brand, the #1 selling brand of contact lenses around the globe, brings you a vision care solution that allows you to better address the vision, fit and comfort needs of the presbyopic eye. One-Day AcuView Moist Multifocal helps you continue excellent care as your patient's vision evolves into presbyopia.